ngut ke TMC san ngut bat ka VPP sao ngut. Ka Jingialang Banyngkong Jong ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2.0 la Pynlong Shillong mentagasngi baro kiseng basenrop lang gila poisya kini ke Jingialang u kertong menteri rangba ke jelau konrat sangma u la pentip bahak kini ke sokar thamai kindan prangut ke dekhot ke kenhun menteri na keseng NPP arngut na UDP bat mar uwei na BJP bat HSPDP bat ke kerteng jong kini ke sokar senrop lang kan long ka MDA 2.0 o hakajuk ke por u konrat un saknier syagi parlok bay senrop lang haka soka banrai yaki kertong bay monlang na kebenta ke syuki ulampang.
We have also decided that in the cabinet, out of the 12 members that are there, 8 will go to the National People's Party, 2 will go to the UDP, 1 will go to the HSPDP, and 1 will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolio, the berths, cabinet berths.
Mandate given by the people is such that they wanted that UP, especially for KHASI, Jingialang, is the only party which gets 11 seats. Okay, so we felt that people of this state, the people of this region, has given the mandate for us to lead the government, as we used to talk during election campaign.